Hello everyone, this is Reggie, the appliance repair nerd, coming to you with a video on this beautiful Whirlpool washer. It was a trade out, sold a customer a washer, and this is the one I took in. So I'm going to refurbish this one. You see there's rust everywhere, so we're going to take care of all that. We're going to sand all that down and repaint it. But just want to do a video on the rust that you'll see around your bleach tray. That's usually on this side of the machine on Whirlpools. And you'll see a little rust around it, or if you have rust spots on your clothes, it usually drips from this. And basically what happens is people put bleach in here, or sometimes, a lot of times, people put detergent in there and it will gunk up and basically it starts to clog, or just dirt in general. And so you put your bleach in there and the bleach just sits or just seeps out slowly. And sometimes that'll ruin your colored clothes too, because your next load you'll still have bleach in there, some of it will drip onto your colored clothes. So basically what you want to do is see the ports right there. You just want to clean those out. Just remove this whole thing. You got little tabs on the side. It just pops right out. You kind of press it in a little bit. You might need to use a screwdriver. Pops right out. And you just want to clean that out real good. But don't stop there, because the main culprit will be here, the actual drain. So what that does is the bleach drains into the outer tub instead of draining into the inner tub. And making bleach spots on your clothes, so that way it goes right into the water. So anyway, that little slit there could be extremely clogged. Hit that with your vacuum, or get like a paintbrush, and you kind of push the particles out. And I just use some soap and water and clean this out. But probably like a shop vac would be the best thing to get all that dirt and grime out of there. This looks totally disgusting. Yours may look like that because these never get cleaned unless you purposely do it. So anyway, that is how you do preventive maintenance on your washer, starting with the bleach tray. Any questions, feel free to comment below, and please, as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.